Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to change your font in Claude AI. So all you need to do is open up your Claude AI account. Then we're going to navigate to the left-hand side and click on your profile name. And we're going to click on settings. From there, we're going to stay in the general tab and we're going to scroll down a little way and you'll find chat font. So you have four options here. You've got the default font, sans system, and dyslexic friendly. There's not that much option there, but what you can do if you wanted something different is you can change the system font. So system means the font that is on your computer that you're using on your laptop. So if you want to change that, you can go down to the Windows bar, you can type in font and go to the control panel of your fonts and change your system font. So click on one of those to change it over and you can start using that in Claude AI. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.